Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. I'm Sagrika and I'm back with some new tips and tricks for you. And today in my video, I'm gonna tell you how to do smoky eyes. You know, many girls were asking me it's too difficult to do smoky eyes. But trust me girls, it's not. It's really very simple to do smoky eyes. So here in this video, I'm gonna tell you few tips how you can do smoky eyes within 2 minutes. And trust me, it's gonna look really very classy. And thank me later girls. So let's start with it. So girls, to do the smoky eyes you need this Lakme kajal. You can use any kajal you have, but it should be thick like this, you can see. Then any eyeshadow palette, I'm using this black glittery shade to do the smoky eyes, and you can use any shade. Like if you're wearing blue, you can do blue smoky. If you're wearing pink, you can do pink smoky. It depends on you. And you need an eyeliner and a kajal and a mascara, and of course don't forget a blending brush. So I'm using this eyeshadow blending brush to do smoky eyes. So before getting started with the tutorial, let me clip my hair so it will not bother me. So girls, to do the smoky eyes, firstly I need a Lakme kajal, and I'll draw a thick line of this Lakme kajal on my eyelid like this. You can draw uneven line. Don't bother about evenness. Just draw a rough line using this thick kajal, and I'll do the same to my other eye. So you can see I have drawn a thick uneven line to my eyelid. Now moving on to the next step. Now I'll take this eyeshadow blending brush and I'll blend this thick line properly like this. Blend it properly. And you can see it will become like this. And I'll do the same for my other eye too. And you can see I'm almost done, and I've blended this thick line of kajal properly, and it's looking like this now. And don't forget to keep earbuds with you, so if your eyeshadow is unfinished, so you can clear it with the help of this earbud and it will look more finished. So girls, you can see I'm done with the base. Now you need to decide which color of smoky eyes you need. For now I'm doing black smoky, so I'm using this glittery shade of black to do black smoky eyes. If you want to do this purple smoky, pink smoky, whatever smoky you want, you need to blend this kajal, or I can say this base, with that color. So for now I'm using this glittery black eyeshadow to do black smoky eyes. So I'll take a bit, and now I'll blend it with my base like this. and do it bit carefully. And if it's not finished, don't worry, you can clear it later with the help of earbud. And don't do it to your whole eye, just do a bit in the center and try to highlight it to the center and blend it really nicely. And now I'll do the same for my other eye. It's all about blending game, so blend it properly. So girls, now I'll finish my eyeshadow with the help of this brush. And if you want to do it more neatly, so you can use earbud. Now to remove some extra, I'll use this earbud. And now my eyeshadow is looking more finished and beautiful, you can see. And now in my next step, I'll do a very thick line of eyeliner to my eyelids. So my smoky eyes will look more beautiful. And I'll do the same for my other eye too. So girls, you can see I have applied eyeliner to both of my eyes evenly. Now I'll apply mascara to my eyes. Like coat it only 1 or 2 times. So I'm almost done, but few steps are left. You know girls, smoky eyes is incomplete without highlighting. So you can see still my eyeshadow is looking quite unfinished. So like I'm using this shade of purple to highlight lower area of my eyebrows. So I'll take a bit on my finger and I will apply it like this. You can use any shade which will go with your dress. I'm using this for now because purple looks really very classy with black smoky eyes. And I'll do the same for my other eye too. And as I always say, don't forget to blend. So just blend it properly and repeat the same for the other eye. So guys, you can see I'm done with the smoky eyes, but in the end I'll just highlight the center part . And now I'm done. And now to give more classy look to your smoky eyes, don't forget to wear a kajal, but not in a normal way. Just wear one coat of kajal here and just apply half coat here, just half, not full. Go till here, so it will look more sexy and classy. and do the same for your other eye. One coat of kajal and only half coat here. Girls, you can see I'm done with my smoky eyes and it's looking like this. Smoky eyes is the thing you can't do everywhere. Like you can do it on your special occasions, like on weddings or when you're on New Year party. Like it's a bit over, so I'll suggest you to choose the best occasion to wear the smoky eyes. And now doing smoky eye is not a big deal because now you can do it in 5 minutes. Not only black smoky, you can do pink, purple, whatever color you want, or whatever color dress you're wearing. Now it's just a 5-minute thing for you. So guys, I hope you liked my today's video and you're gonna try the smoky eyes today itself, and now you can thank me because I have given you wonderful tip how to do smoky eyes. And if you really like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and for more such videos subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching me. Now me, Sagrika, signing off. Bye, take care, love you all, and don't forget to do this beautiful smoky eyes.